Hello my friends, it's Odette here. Hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you guys are all doing absolutely fantastic today. Now this is supposed to be an unboxing video, but my package is already open. I am terrible. I suck so badly when it comes to doing unboxings. It is just the most ridiculous thing, because when I get my package in the mail, I just rip everything open because I want to see what's inside so badly. This is from Dorella Cosmetics. Dorella Cosmetics sent me a PR package the other day, and I thought, why not get more stuff? Just get more stuff. And that's exactly what I did. The package is already open, and I do have all of my lashes on my desk. They are lashes. So I've got here 6 packages of Drama Queen lashes. Okay, I love the packaging. Beautiful, pinky, colorful, gorgeous packaging, and I love this beautiful, gorgeous peekaboo design. This is Drama Queen up close and personal. You guys would have seen Drama Queen in a makeup video plus on Instagram. Okay, this is Drama Queen, Queen right here. Drama Queen. What did I just say? Say that 10 times fast. Drama Queen. I've got 6 of them right here, 6 packages. I've got 3 packages here of Esther. Esther is beautiful and thick and gorgeous and full, a little bit longer. This is what Esther looked like. Again, look at the packaging, guys. Beautiful, colorful packaging, which I really, really, really love. Okay. I've got Lily, 1 pack of Lily. This is what Lily looks like. Gorgeous Lily. Not as full as Lola, but this is gorgeous. This is called Lily. Love this one. I've got 1 package of Lola. Lola is thick and full and gorgeous and beautiful and makes your eyes pop, makes your eyes look so sexy. This is gorgeous. This is what Lola looks like. Gorgeous lashes. Beautiful. Okay. And this one says Ola. I'm not quite sure if it was meant to say Lola, but it says Ola on here. But I'm just going to show you guys what this one looks like. This is it right here. Beautiful, gorgeous lashes. Absolutely stunning, 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 beautiful lashes. Now, I am going to leave all of the details in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to go in and pick up 1 or 2 pairs of lashes from Dorella Cosmetics. They are beautiful. They are gorgeous lashes. I absolutely love them. And they obviously will be featured in my magazine. I'm just a little bit behind in updating the magazine at the moment, but it's going to be updated, and all of these are going to be featured. Any beauty items or beauty products that I really, really love, that really grabs my attention, deserves a feature in my magazine, and these are going to be definitely be featuring in there. So thank you guys for spending this little time with me for my little unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy. Again, I'm going to leave Dorella Cosmetics details in the description box for you guys. Again, just in case you want to pick up 1 or 2 pairs of these lashes, they are gorgeous. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching today. My name is Odette, and of course I shall see you guys next time. Bye.